Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Moonpay. So to get started, Moonpay is a popular fiat to crypto payment service that makes it easy for users to buy crypto with credit card, Apple Pay, and other payment methods. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies that integrate smoothly with many wallets and platforms, making it convenient for beginners looking to enter the crypto space. However, MoonPay has been criticized for high fees, slow transaction, and poor customer report. Some users report issues like frozen funds, failed transfer, and long response time. While it offers ease of access in 2025, it's best to use MoonPay for small purchases only and consider other options if you need better reliability or lower fees. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency platform. And that's it.